Hello kids, today we will draw Winnie the Pooh. So let's start. First draw the Pooh face. Draw a big curvy circle, like this. Well done, now draw the sideline and leave a small gap. Draw the line again and leave another gap. Look, we leave 2 gaps in the head. Now draw the ears on the gap. Draw a round circle and it's done. Good job, now draw the other ear, just like this. Well done, look, we complete the head. Now let's draw the body. First draw the shirt. Draw an L shape, like this. Now draw a line. Good job, now let's do the same thing on the other side also. Draw the L shape. Then draw a line. Now connect both the side with a big curved line, and it's complete. Look how great it's looking. Now let's draw the leg. Draw a big curved line. Then make the foot. Good job, now draw the other side also. Draw the curved line, then draw the foot. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now draw a small line on both legs, just like this. Lastly, draw a small curved line and connect it. Look, we complete the leg. Now let's draw the hands. Draw a round shape, like this. Now draw the other side also. Draw the curve, and look, we complete the body. Now let's draw the face. Draw the nose, like this. Draw a big nose, and fill the color. Now draw the eyes. Draw a small oval shape, and it's done. Good job, now draw the other eye also. Lastly, draw a cute and happy smile. Wait, don't forget to draw the eyebrows. Draw a small line, like this. Well done, look, we complete the drawing. Now let's make it more cute. Draw some heart shape, like this. Draw a heart on left side. Well done, now draw a heart shape on right side. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So let's draw another heart shape. Do the same thing, and it's done. So let's color it. First, color the face. Use yellow color and color the head. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color the ear carefully, like this. Color slowly, and don't color the eye and nose. You know what? Winnie the Pooh is a yellow color bear. Look how beautiful and cute it's looking. You know what? Winnie the Pooh like honey to eat. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now let's color the hand. Color carefully on the small part. Color the other side also. Now let's color the leg. Color slowly and don't make any mistake. Color the left part, then color the right side also. Look how cute it's looking. Now let's color the shirt. Use red color and color the shirt sleeve. Well done, now color the other side also. Color the sleeve, then color the outline. If you color the outline first, then you will not make any mistake. Color left and right. Left and right, and it's done. Good job, now let's color the heart shape also. Use red color and color the outline first. Well done, now carefully fill the color. Look how cute it's looking. Now color the other heart also. Do the same thing, and it will look very great. You can also color the heart differently. Good job, we almost complete the drawing. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing more cute. Draw some circle on eye, like this. Now draw a white line on the nose also. Well done, we complete the drawing. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel.